Welcome to Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very refreshing drink, and it's cucumber with ginger and lemon. Okay, so first I'm going to pour my cucumbers, my ginger, and add me some water. Okay. I already have some that I already made, okay? And always remember, most of the fruits that you use to blend for juice, always remember to strain. So we strain this before we drink, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a teaspoon of sugar and some lemon juice. So this is our delicious cucumber, lemon, and ginger, okay? I'm gonna have a taste. Wow, this is delicious. And always remember, you can put it in the fridge to chill before you have it, okay? So live, love, laugh, enjoy your food. Subscribe to Yvette Kitchen.